Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a cartoon version of Santa. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw the Santa Claus, and to begin we're going to start out with the bottom of his hat first. So we'll just draw one line across, and then you can round it up, we'll just go up, just a little bracket. Just round it out and close everything off. Alright, so after that, we'll finish up the hat later. Let's go ahead and come down and draw his face first. So right in the middle here, you can come down. Just gonna draw two little circles for his eyes. Just keep it really cartoony. On the inside here, I'm gonna draw one more circle. That's gonna be my highlight, and then I'll just shade around it. Okay, so basically just two dots, and then for the eyebrow, so start in the corner here, just go up. Just draw one line coming down like this, and then draw the opposite curve going up. So just like a long almond shape. Okay, so corner, just go up. Curve down, and then same curve on the top, just opposite. Alright, and then for his nose, just come down, we'll make it nice and wide. Just one big U shape or a bow. And then come right around here, just go up, that's gonna be the side of his nose. So it's just a little bracket going up. And then now for his mustache right here, start right on the corner here. Just curve this way. And then from this point, we're gonna curve up. So right about here. Almost the width of the hat on the bottom here. Okay, so come to the middle, come down. You can make a little point, and then we're just gonna draw one big curve coming down and curving it back up. Okay, so really big mustache. You can start down here, curve down. Okay, so now we can draw in the rest of the face and also his beard. So right around here, just draw one curve down here. And now for the side here, go all the way to the corner and draw a little bracket going out. So this is gonna be the beginning of his big beard. So right here, just gonna curve all the way down. So it doesn't have to be smooth, it can be kind of like cotton balls. Alright, so that's his head, and let's finish up the hat now. So right here, I'm just gonna draw a little slant going up on both sides. And then on this side here, I'm gonna continue this. Just go all the way up, come across, right over the hat here. And right on the tip here, we're going to draw one big circle. Okay, so just tuck it in here because it's going to be behind the head. Alright, so that's his head, and now let's draw in his body. Okay, so nice and wide here. Let's draw one line coming down. And then the bottom here, we'll just round it out. Just one big curve around. So this is gonna be the bottom of his belt. So to finish up his belt here, right in the center, we'll just go up. That's gonna be a belt buckle, and then for the details inside, just one big rectangle. Okay, and then for the top of the belt, just come right on the corner here, just go all the way out. Okay, and then to finish up his coat, just flare out from the belt area. And just curve it out. And then on the side here, just one big bracket. and then we'll round it out again. Alright, so from here, let's come back up and draw his arm. So this one's gonna be holding the bag of presents here. So let's start on this side. So right on the belt area right here, just gonna draw one little curve. Add a little line there for his thumb. So we're drawing the hand first. And then for his coat here, a little cuff area, just start here and just round it. Go all the way around and just tuck it in right there. Okay, and then for the arm, start up here. Just gonna curve it and just connect that. Alright, so that's his arm on his side, and then for this other arm, it's gonna be holding the present. So we're gonna draw in the tip of the bag here first. So just start right on the side here, just come out. Draw one little curve. Just slant it down. And then just kind of round it out. You can make it a little bit wavy if you want to. And then on the corners here, these two little corners, we're gonna draw another wavy line. Just connect that. So that's gonna be the opening for the bag. And then right here, we can add a couple of lines. Okay, so now we can draw in his hand right here, and we'll keep it simple. So just start here, just round it out. Let's go all the way around. Okay, and then for his coat, start here. It's one big curve, so this part's gonna be white. And then for his arm, just start down here, just curve it all the way in here. I know it's a little bit tricky, it's kind of hard to see sometimes. Alright, and then for the bag, start here. Add a couple of folds right here. And then for the bag itself, I'm going to draw it pretty big, so I'm going to start all the way up here. It's going to go all the way around. And again, it could be a little bit lumpy as well. And just curve it back into the coat. Alright, so that's the upper body, and then for the legs, it's really simple. So here's the center. Just draw a little curve coming down first. Come to the side, right around here. Come down, and then just close that off. So that's gonna be his leg. And then for his boot, we'll flare out, and then close it off. Okay, and then to finish it off, just come down, and then from the bottom here, I'm just gonna draw one big curve going up and coming down. So it's gonna be his boot. Then we'll just close this off. And then whatever space you have here, just draw one line. And let's just add one line on the bottom here. Alright, so same thing here. Come down, and then just one big curve, go up, come all the way out. Close it off, and then again right here. And then one line inside. And that is it for this Santa. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.